I know I used to think that I would not make it through. I was pretty sure that I would not make it through. But, you know, it just, there it is. No, I didn't expect to survive it. Because when you see the, when I went in, into the Air Force at that time, the ratio of killed to people who survived was pretty atrocious. There was a time in there early on when there was a real odds were not very good. And as I say, you know, for one reason or another, it didn't always enemy fire. There are all these other things that can happen. For instance, I had a, if you keep listening, I'll keep talking, I guess. We're shooting touch and go landings, where you land, and after you've gotten in a 3-point position, this was with AT-6s, then you push the throttle forward and level off, and then take off, come back around and land. And we're doing this, a whole stream of us. So I landed, and you know, your nose is up like this, and it blocks your forward view, and then I pushed it forward with throttle forward, and then this guy stopped. The plane ahead of me had stopped in the middle of the runway. And how I missed him, I'll never know, but I was able to hop over him. And boy, when I got back to the line, he had the nerve to come out and start cussing me out for almost hitting him. And boy, did the flight instructor finally caught up to him, and did he ever tell him off, and he washed him out. Because what he'd done was made such a bad landing, he'd blown a tire, and so he just stopped in the middle of the runway. He could have gotten off, you know, but the idiot stopped. So that was the end of him. He washed out.